Hello students, today we are going to start our reference book Maths Standard 3rd. Chapter number 2 Division. Exercise number 2.5. First question, divide using multiplication tables. Divide करना है by multiplication tables से. So here first sum is 36 divided by 9. So we say table of 9. How many times comes 36? You say table of 9. So 9 fours are 36. Our answer is 4. So we using multiplication table 9 fours are 36. Now and we divide 36 by 9. 9 fours are 36. 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 3 0. Now we do both method, multiplication and division also. Now second question, 64 divided by 8. So we say table of 8. How many times 64 come in table of 8? So 8 8s are 64. So here we write 8 multiply 8. We say table of 8 times and come 64. Now we will do division method. 64 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. We will do minus. 4 minus 4 0. 6 minus 6 0. So we get answer here 8. Next sum, 60 divided by 6. So how many times 60 come in table of 6? 6 tens are 60. So here we write 10. So we say table of 6 10 times come 60. 60 multiply 10 equal 60. Now after do division method, 60 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6. Now 6 minus 6 0. Bring down 0. We cannot divide it by 0. So we put down 0 here and 0. 6 tens are 60. We do both method, multiplication and division also. Now D number, 24 divided by 4. How many times come 24 in table of 4? We say table of 4. 4 6 are 24. And so we write 4 6 are 24. We say table of 4 6 times. 4 multiply 6 equal 24. Now then we do division method. 24 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. So 4 6 are 24. This sum is multiplication according to multiplication table. Now second question, divide using long division method and check your answer. Here we do first step and here long division method. 2 are 3 steps. So we do this side. 46 divided by 2. Now first we compare number 2 and 4. 2 is a small number and 4 is big number. So 4 is divided by 2. How many times 4 come in table of 2? 2 2s are 4. Now 4 minus 4, 0. Bring down 6. Now we will 6 divided by 2. How many times come 6 in table of 2? 2 3s are 6. Now 6 minus 6, 0. Then and check your answer. Our sum is right or wrong, we check our answer. So here write check. So first we write divisor. 2 is divisor. Divisor multiply quotient and divisor multiply quotient plus remainder divisor quotient and remainder. Sorry, here is QUOTENT, quotient plus remainder and equal dividend. Now what number is divisor? 2. 2 is divisor. Multiply 23. 2 divisor 23 quotient. We multiply both number and plus remainder. Remainder is 0. We put this 0 here. Now 2 multiply 23. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 86 plus 0. 2 2s are 4. Sorry. Now 46 plus 0, 46. So dividend is 46. Here right, division is 46. Here also 46. So our sum is right. Now second sum. 38 divided by 3. Here we will do 38 divided by 3. Here are 3 and here are also 3. So both numbers same. So we divided by one time. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Bring down 6. Bring down 8. Now 8 is big number. So divided by 3. 8 is not come to in table of 3. So we write a small number. Which number is a small number? In table of 6, 3 2s are 6. So here we write 2 3s are 6. And 8 minus 6, 2. Here remainder 2. Now we check our answer. We write short form of divisor. D multiply Q plus R equal dividend. Okay. Now divisor 3. Divisor 3 and quotient 12 plus remainder. Which number remainder? 2. So we write here 2. Now 3 multiplied 12. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 36 plus remainder 2 equal 6 and 2 38. So here our answer is 38 and here dividend is also 38. So our answer is correct. Now here we write downside right equal dividend. So divisor multiply quotient plus remainder equal dividend. So 3 is divider, quotient 12 plus remainder 2 and we get 36 plus remainder 2 38. Here also 38, here 38. So our answer is correct. Now next sum. See 92 minus 4. 92 divided 4. So we do divide 92 by 4. So how many times comes 92? We do long division method. We do not multiplication table. So here we write 92 divided by 4. Now 9 is big number. So divide by 4. So 4 2s are 8. Now 9 minus 8 1. Bring down 2. Here are 12. So how many times come 12? Table of 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. Now we check our answer. We write here divisor multiply quotient and plus remainder. Equal dividend. Now 4 is divisor multiply 23 plus remainder 0 equal 4 3s are 12. 2 1 carry over 4 2s are 8. 8 and 1 9. 92 plus 0 equal 92. Here 92 and here also 92. So our sum is correct. Now next sum 66 divided 2. So 66 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Bring down again 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Now we check our answer and here write 33. Here also write we 23. Now check our answer. D multiply Q plus R equal dividend. Now divisor 2 multiply question 333 33 plus remainder 0 equal 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6 plus 0 equal 66. So here also 66, here 66. So our sum is division is correct. Now third, 87 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Bring down 7. Which number we write here? How many times divided by 37 divided by 5? So 5 sevens are 35. We will do minus. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Here 2 is remainder. So we write here D. Check our answer. D multiply question plus remainder equal dividend. Okay. Now divisor 5 is divisor multiply 17 plus remainder is 2 and here 5 sevens are 35. 5 3 carry over, 5 ones are 5. 5 and 3 8. 8 plus 2 equal 87. Now 87 and here also 87. So our sum is correct. So children, you understanding exercise number 2.5, simple method and long division method, and we understanding do division sum and check our answer.